So those were some cars I've recently gotten. I think they're 74 foot hopper cars. No, 72 foot center beam flat cars. Two of them are Southern, and the last two are TTX. And then today I just got home with that Burlington Northern Santa Fe. 3 of those 5 cars were from the gentleman who passed away, and I was very happy. They sold the brand new Burlington car for $30, which, if you compare the price of a new Atlas 89 foot flat car with all the add-on pieces, it gets to be pretty expensive. One other thing I want to show you I got recently. The other thing was this really nice put together model. I think I got it for 25 bucks, which is a little bit too high for my time frame, but it was just put together so neatly. You know, no glue marks. He actually cut a wooden base to fit the bottom, just to make sure it stands up straight. You can see, very nice structure. And one of those things, I saw it and I'm like, you know, I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing, but I just got to have it because it just looks good. And excuse the print here. This is on back when we used to have some airplanes. But really nice kit. Anyways, that's it. Everybody take care.